Hey, family. How y'all doing this evening? Hey. Yes, I'm full of life. I don't know how I'm going, but I'm going. Uh, I got me some salad with some ranch dressing on it. Got me some chicken here, chicken legs, and I got chicken thigh under here with the leg. And I got me some garlic bread. I'm trying. It's hard. I'm trying to eat right. I'm trying my best. I'm trying. I ain't gonna lie. It's hard. Because I'm used to my plate being mound on. Y'all know, with potatoes. You know, earlier, I ain't gonna even lie. I sure did. I had some rice, some beans, some cabbage, and some chicken tenders early. Then I had a sandwich, a turkey and cheese sandwich with potato chips and some crab spread early. Now, this evening, chicken, salad, and a piece of bread. And some water. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, I'm tired. I've been up early. I get up early every day, though. I like to get out and get it cracking early. Yes, I do. And this salad got carrot, cabbage, and some iceberg lettuce. It's already made up. With my chicken. I do that every time I eat. Y'all should know that by now. For you new subscribers, I love chicken. Chicken. I try to throw something different in there every now and then. But I love me some chicken. I want to at least I need to get 70 pounds. 70. Yes, I said 70. I heard about some tea that's good. And everybody talk about the apple cider vinegar and water. I tried that. That dries me out. When I say dry me out, I tried it. With the cayenne pepper, the honey, lemons, and the apple cider vinegar all mixed together. I think if I slow down and eat in moderation, that some of this may come out. You know, as you get older, it sticks. When I say it sticks. I look at myself, I say, oh my God, look at that hanging there. And I mean, it hangs. Everything drops. Ass drop, stomach drop. Everything else, it goes every which way. You lay flat, look like you flat up here. Because this didn't went like this. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But it's all natural. This is how you feel about yourself. Chicken is good. I heard of some people eating the whole bone. I can't do that one now. That one right there, not happening. And I went to the store today, got me some collard greens, Chop me some cabbage. And I started to get a bundle of spinach. Trust me, if you mix all that together, it be good. Trust me. And I got some beef neck bones. I think I'm going to cook that tomorrow. They so used to me cooking this and having some rice or some potatoes with it. I said, not today. Y'all gonna eat some salad and some chicken. Light bright was like, Mama, really? I said, yeah, really. I closed some onions in here. This is enough, and this will fill you up. Y'all know I love my bell peppers. Okay, and I cut them up in here, my onions. That's to have that. And I know I gotta lay off that pop. I love pop though too. I used to want to drink for a long time. I started back. Whew. That's why y'all hear me say that when I drink it. It make me burp. But going down, it feels that acid. It feels good. But I know it ain't good for me. I know I'm not thoroughly getting flushed out. And it's hard to start drinking water. I don't know why. But I need to, because I've noticed. If I'm not drinking water all day, I don't get no sleep. I'm up at least 4 or 5 times running to the bathroom. That's because it's flushing me out. I drink that pop, I don't sleep all night. That's because there's syrup sitting up in there. Whew. Need some. I was watching something, they was talking about bottled water. How you waste all that money on water. And it's no different than the tap water. No different. I can do this here. I bought a big bag of salad. Went to the grocery store and was looking at them Caesar's watermelon. It's $7. When I can go to the farmer's market, 3 watermelons for $5. Some more pieces of bone. Shoot. I have to pass on the watermelon until I go to the farmer's market. And you get them fresh. It will be good and juicy. Can't beat that. 3 for $5. As opposed striped Ventil, $6.99 for 1 seedless watermelon, and then they cut it up in a little pack. And it was 3 slices where they had cut it up. And I looked at the price at fast. I said, "Oh no." That's because I'm so used to cutting it up, cutting up my own watermelon. That's for you people that's on the go, or people that just don't like cutting up watermelon. But me, I take my time, I cut it up, and I put it in a Ziploc bag. I got my family spoiled. I said that. All they got to do is just clean up their rooms. That's it. They ain't gotta cook. They ain't even gotta wash. White bird don't like me washing her clothes because she said I mix her clothes up. So she'll wash her own. My other daughter, I wash all her clothes. They do feel good. That's what I'm talking about. Did y'all hear that? Juicy. Ooh, I wish I could share this with y'all. Wish I could share my food. Then y'all see where I be sucking on bones. I'm gonna do this again. Boy, I tell you. You something else, girl. I'm on a pound regimen. I'm so used to eating. Less than 15 minutes, I'll be finished. That was real tasty. That's the water. I know you get happy when I was a little girl, I used to stand there and dance. When it was time to eat, I don't know why, it was just a habit. Salad wasn't bad. I need a good cleaner. They got these detox pills that clean your liver and all that. I had bought some, what was it, a couple of months ago. I didn't use them. I'm scared to use them because I know I'm going to be running. Ooh, Lord. One time I took that powder, the colon cleanser. I mean, I was like, when is it going to stop? It was coming. I mean, coming. And it was long. I mean, I ain't never seen nothing like that. It'd be stringing and all that. That'd be cleaning your colon, cleaning you out. And it's good. And you feel better. You feel lighter. That was my fork. Just fell on the floor and get it out. Oh, I got a little bit more water to go. Y'all family, I'm going to say farewell for tonight. Tonight. Because I'm finna carry my butt to bed, take me a shower, go lay down so I can start my day off fresh. I done finished eating. I'm straight now. Excuse me. And if you haven't subscribed to the Your Faith family, please do so. Please do so, not for. Please do so. Comment down below. Let me know what you think, what you want to see. Hit the notification button, and I'll be seeing y'all later. Love you.